Often when teacher measures, it can mean that we have lots and lots of different practical equipment on the tables, ranging from the non-standard measures into the metric system. The beauty about these rulers is it has all of the different measures on there, the non-standard, into centimetres and also into millimetres.
Yeah, I like that, how that means that they're differentiated so you can use them in any year group in the school and they provide instant challenge depending on what form of measure you're using. You could then up-level to a different measure for the children.
Yeah, so they could have been using, I suppose, centimetres, then progressing on to the millimetres. The great thing about them as well is the children, they're really lightweight, very sturdy, they're easy to hold, like in a triangle, they can put them flat against the object, read the scale, and you can also use a dry white marker pen so they can accurately record the length of something.
Yeah, I found that really handy where so the children, instead of having to measure in the book or measure something, could record on the ruler and just wipe off once they're finished. Definitely helpful. These calipers are excellent. I think they're different. A different way of measuring engages the children instead of just using a ruler. Being able to physically manipulate it and see against the scale how big something is, or how long or short, and it really helps them with the vocabulary as well, because they can see longer, shorter, trying to develop that vocabulary.
Yeah. I think in school as well we often limit them to just using a ruler, so it's quite nice to see another way of measuring, and they can clamp the object in there so they can really clearly see and be accurate with their measurements.
Yeah, especially this measure, it's a different way of doing it to really engage the children in my class, because we would often say, okay, so I would use the word taller in a class, and then expect the children to measure with the ruler, but using this equipment, they can physically see, they can adjust it and physically see how tall or short something is, and it's applicable to real life because it's a mini version of something that you would get measured with, which the children love using.
Yeah. So all the objects really lightweight, easy to carry, and easy to read, and of course dry white.